I'm Priyanka. Welcome to my channel, and it's day 4 in Andaman, and today I'm going to my home. So already we have started our journey from the Port Blair. So it's a 6 hours journey from Port Blair to my hometown, that's Rangat. It's in middle Andaman, and now currently we are stopped in the first convoy. So we have 3 convoys before going to my home. So now we are stopped by in Jirkatang. So it is the first convoy, first post. So it is called as tribal people protection post. So there are particular timings. In that timings only we can go from here. So that are the convey timings we have to follow. If you miss that convey timing, you will not be able to travel in that particular day. बुकड़ कितना खाएगी?
What colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know, let your hair out in the wind.
So guys, we are waiting for our convey to start, for our convey timing. And you know what, the way from Jirkatang to the Middle Strait, like which we are going to do now, is it so beautiful. The road goes in between of the forest, and I'm so sorry I can't take the video here as the rules is there to protect the tribal people. So you have to come here and experience yourself. Really, it is so beautiful. Like both the side it is covered with forest, and when you will reach the next destination, that's Middle Strait, you can see the sea. Like it ends with the sea. So guys, I reached the Middle Strait, and the journey from the Jirkatang to Middle Strait was so mesmerizing.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel my spark between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good.
Now we are in the second convoy. It is called as GandhiGhat, and now we are waiting for our next ferry, so which will take us to the next stop, which is Kadamtala, and from there is only road journey which will take us to the home. So whatever you are seeing there, those are the mangrove forest all over the sea. We have the mangrove forest, and now they are building a bridge. This is a new construction, like construction of bridge to join the land.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving
happy that we are going to reach our home in few hours. The climate was set, it was raining outside, and finally the tragedy happened. Our bus got stuck into the mud because of the heavy rain and the road construction. We stranded at the place for like 2 hours, and after that, finally we reached our home. That's it for this vlog, guys. I hope you all like this video. I know there is tragedy, but this tragedies make our journey memorable, and I hope you all like this video. So go like, subscribe, share and comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget about it, and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification when I post next video. And next video is going to be very, very special because it's going to about the beaches of Andaman, Middle Andaman. It is so close to my heart, and I'm 100% sure you guys are going to like it. So yeah, till then, bye bye.